I'm excited to announce the new trading dashboard, and the huge new trading course, which is absolutely free, is now live for all of you to access. It has been designed as a trading dashboard with a focus on a user-friendly experience so that traders can access all of the information and tools needed in one place at no cost. As you can see, all you need to do is log on to the getmetrading.com site and you will immediately be able to interface with this dashboard. We have the entire free trading course now available for all of you to access straight away. And in the new year, we will be adding even more features in the Analyze and Trade section of this dashboard. So let's launch the course, and we're going to see what's in it, how to navigate it, and how to use the features within the course. So we're in the first lesson of the first module here, so module 1, Market Participants. And you can see the first lesson, Global Foreign Exchanges, is set on the left hand side underneath the button Next, which takes us to the next module. That would be module 2 in this case, after module 1. And you can click through the various lessons within each module on the left hand side. On the right hand side we have the video of the lesson, and underneath it we have the progress bar to show you how far you have progressed through the course. Beneath the list of lessons we have the modules download tab, and this is the place you can download the spreadsheets associated with each module. So let's click on the module downloads, and you can see that once we are signed in here, we get the Key Financial Centers spreadsheet, which is available for download. We simply click download, and you can download the spreadsheets and follow along as we are assessing the spreadsheets in the videos. You can also keep them to hand for future reference, because we do have lots of spreadsheets in this course that are actionable and you can use in your trading. So let's click off of module downloads, and let's look at how we could navigate from the first module to the second module. If we simply click next, this will take us to the next module. And in doing this, you will see the information for the module appearing, and this will show you the content of the module. It will show you the expected completion time of the module, and it will also show you what you will learn throughout the module. We can then click on Start Module to access the module itself. And if we want to go back a module, we just simply click Back. This will once again show us the information for the module we are about to access. So if we go back into the module, there is also a way that we can navigate this course in its entirety, not just left to right or module to module, and that is by clicking on the map icon in the right hand side of the screen, where it says Navigate Course. And if we click on this, this is the section of the course where we can navigate in its entirety all of the different modules and the sections which make up the course. And you can see we can click on Fundamentals, for example, and this will take us to an overview of all of the modules in the fundamental part of the course. And this will give us the overview of the module, how many lessons are in the module, and also the expected completion time of each module. If we click View Module, this will take us back to the information page of the module we are about to access. If we access this module once again, you can see we are now back inside the module, ready to look at the lessons. And finally, if you want to navigate back to the home page from any part of the course, you just simply click on the GMT logo in the top left hand corner. And this is going to take you back to the home page, where if you so wish, you can launch the course once again, or you can view some of the other features on the website, including the trading tools and also the platform finder. So that brings us to the end of the introduction. One final important point is that your feedback is very important to us. We want to be continually improving and making changes in order to provide the best possible experience for all of our users. So leave us your feedback, and together we can work to create an amazing free resource for all traders. So thank you for watching this introduction, and enjoy the course.